Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our last class, we have discussed about the first lesson, My Family. There, Mohan has explained about his family members. After that, what we have discussed, children, we have discussed about the best bird. What we have discussed about the best bird. And in that poem, we have discussed about an owl. Their owl has been compared with the different birds. Owl has been compared with the penguin, with the duck, and with the parrot. Last owl has been compared with the penguin also, but owl pretended to be the best because owl can hoot, owl can see, owl can fly. And we have discussed what an owl can do, and what an owl can't do. We have already discussed about that. Now today our poem, Can You Do It? Can you do it? See children, it's a very interesting poem where a boy was explaining about himself that what can he do? What can he do? See, can you do? What can I do? Hop like a frog, walk along a log, make a sound like a train, dance in the rain, build a stack of bricks, count up to 26. Now see children, here the poet has been explaining us about a boy. What a boy can do. A boy can hop like a frog. Hop means jump like a frog. A boy was saying that he can walk along a log. He can put on the bricks one by one. He can make a sound of train. He can make a sound of train. Okay. And see children, he can dance in the rain. He can dance in the rain. Now see children, it's okay little sister, don't cry, boo-hoo, I couldn't do much either when I was only 2. And now he was telling to his sister to not to cry because he was big and his sister was only 2 years old. He's telling his sister that 2 years old girl cannot do these things. Only when you grow up, then only you can do these things. Okay, now very interesting poem. I will explain, I will read once and then we will go for the hard words given in the poem. Can you do it? What can I do? Hop like a frog, walk along a log, make a sound like a train, dance in the rain, build a stack of bricks, count up to 26. It's okay, little sister. Don't cry, boo-hoo. I couldn't do much either when I was only 2. Now let us learn about the few hard words which are related to the poem. Okay, children. Then I just will discuss with few hard words. H-O-P, hop. F-R-O-G, frog. L-O-G, log. W-A-L-K, walk. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. D-A-N-C-E, dance. R-A-I-N, rain. Okay, next children. C-O-U-N-T, count. C-O-U-N-T, count. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-T-A-C-K, stack. B-U-I-L-D, build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Okay, these are the few words, children, which are related to our poem. Once read these all again. H-O-P, hop. F-R-O-G, frog. L-O-G, log. W-A-L-K, walk. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. D-A-N-C-E, dance. R-A-I-N, rain. C-O-U-N-T, count. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-T-A-C-K, stack. B-U-I-L-E, build. See children, if you have the textbooks, once read the poem again. Now we will discuss about the action words or the doing words, which already we have discussed in our earlier session. Again today we will discuss, then we will conclude the class. Okay, today class. Now what do you mean by the doing words or the action words, children? Action words are only called as the doing words. Okay, action words ne mana doing words antamu. Avuna kada? Already we have discussed. What are those? Once revise. Eat, sleep, drink, okay, walk, run, jump, climb, sit, stand. Now we have learnt in the poem hop. Okay, hop, and again dance, sing. Now what are these? Dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Okay, what are these words called, children? Action words, or we can say doing words. Means whatever the work we are doing, to denote our action, we use some specific words. They are known as action words. Let us see once again. Eat, sleep, drink, walk, run, jump, climb, sit, stand, hop, dance, sing, dive. See again. E-A-T, eat, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, D-R-I-N-K, drink, W-A-L-K, walk, R-U-N, run, J-U-M-P, jump, C-L-I-M-B, climb, S-I-T, sit, S-T-A-N-D, stand, H-O-P, hop, D-A-N-C-E, dance, S-I-N-G, sing, D-I-V-E, dive. Now here children, they have explained us about the doing words. See children, and they have given us missing letters. You have to find out. F-L dash, fly. F-L-Y, fly. Dive, D-I-V-E, dive. I-C-E, ice. S-K-Y, sky. C-L-I-M-B, climb. And see children, these all exercises already we have completed. What a bird has, what a fish has, all. And today your work to read the poem in the textbook once and read the hard words as well as the action words which I have explained to you. Okay children, have a nice day all of you. Time ఎంత అయింది? 8 minutes.